Hey guys, Donnie here, and welcome to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, I have the Syma. This is the X5UW, and this is actually came to me from Tenergy. This is a limited edition that Tenergy sent to me, so we're going to take a look at that right after this intro. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys. I'm sure glad you can join me today on Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today I got the Tenergy limited edition X5UW. This is a Syma, so they made a limited version for Tenergy, and Tenergy sent it out to me. So you can find them on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to try to get it all set up and do a flight as well, so while the weather's still holding out. So alright guys, stay tuned for the unboxing and then the flight. Alright guys, hey, I'm going to open this up really fast, get everything out, and then we can go through on what came inside the box, and then hopefully we can get it up for a flight before it gets too dark over here. Alright, so far we have the manual, which is a pretty good sized manual. So you do have the QR code here for Android and iOS, which it's just Syma Go app. You'll want to download that in your device so you can get the Wi-Fi FPV. So go ahead and get this out of the way. Let's take a look inside. Alright, it's a pretty nice looking drone. It does come with 2 batteries, which makes it nice. You have the charger. Here's the 2 batteries, which are proprietary. I believe these are just 500 milliamps, 3.7 volt screwdriver, and these prop guards just snap in, which makes it really nice. They just snap in on the end of the drone here, so makes it really nice and easy. Snaps in, ready to go. But I'm going to go without these. Has a screwdriver, and you got 4 extra props. I love this color. I love this yellow and black. Is like one of my favorite colors of drones. Let me get this out of the way here. Looks like you got the camera, which looks like it's pretty easy to clip on. I'm hoping that it has a DVR built in, and yes it does. Yeah, it's a DVR built in, so you can actually get straight footage from that. Or you can record to your device, iOS or Android, which I recommend to record to the SD card because it'll be more clear. Looks like my camera's a little crooked in there, but we'll see how it does here in a moment. I'm going to clip this on, which you're going to want to plug it in first, which is really easy. It just plugs in underneath here, plugs in there, and then this camera just goes and twists on. So let's go to which side it twists here, and then I'll get it all snapped in here, guys. All right. There we go. All right, so you go in like this, and then you go and twist to the left, and there we go. That's on there. Landing legs are already mounted on here, so you don't have to worry about that. Here's the controller, which is Syma's newer style, which is very nice. I believe I put 4 AA's in here. Yeah, 4 AA's. I got some cheap batteries in there. This just pops off here, so you can go and slide your phone mount in here. There we go. So you got the alligator clip phone mount, and it'll be all ready to go. We'll explain some of the buttons out there. Actually, I could just explain them real quick so I don't have to do it out in the field. Okay, for this one, we'll get to the controller here. It looks like we have, okay, of course your power on and off. And then for this one here, it's just your throttle up and down. Also, by pushing down and holding it, you can trim the drone out, so you can trim all the settings up and down, right and left while holding this down. Okay, guys. Then you got your photo. Is this button? One press will take a picture. hold this one down for a few seconds and it'll start the video, but make sure before the battery goes dead or you want to stop the film to hold it down for a few seconds again to stop that film, or it will corrupt the video and you'll lose your video. This one on this side is 3D flip, and this one has 2 rates of speed, so you'll have a high and low right here. By just pressing that, it'll make a beep, 1 beep for low, 2 beeps for high. So all right guys, I believe that's it. The power button is going to be right here on top. All right, I'm going to slide the battery in, get that ready, and we're going to go out in the field and take it for a flight. Stay tuned. All right guys, I'm out here for a test flight. The battery, I just slid the battery in. It has a little button here that you press, and then you can pull the battery back out, and it just clips back in. Put an SD card in here, so we'll see how that does. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Hold it for a second. It's flashing. It's hard to see, but the lights are flashing. I was going to face out in the field, but the sun's starting to come down and it's going to end up hitting me right in the face with the sun, so I'm going to go and alright, I'm just making sure nobody's around me. I'm going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. So let me get into the app. Let's get in here and find, there it is, Wi-Fi FPV. It is connected, no internet, which is fine. All right, I'm going to turn on the controller. Let's go to the Syma Go app. Let that fire up. Press start. Okay, we got Wi-Fi. Okay, guys, I just connected the controller by going up, down. All right, sorry, I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes here. Okay, I'm recording right now to the SD card, I believe. Yep, it's flashing, so it's saying it's recording to the SD card. I'll try to record to the phone a little bit so you can see Wi-Fi image. I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. There we go. There we go. The wind's blowing this way, so I was going to go out here to the field, but I'm afraid that the sun's coming down and you guys are going to see all that. So I'm going to go to second rate. Well, actually, that's landing. Hold on. Pressing that will land it. Automatic takeoff. Okay. Let me bring it back here for a second. Oh, there we go. By pressing in this trigger, there's rate 1, rate 2. Okay, so these buttons were different than what it said in the manual. So we're in rate 2, automatic takeoff. Alright, here we go. I'm going to keep it in second rate. Let's go and fly it over here, since people are coming. About 5-mile-an-hour wind, so I'll see if I can keep the view over here. See if I can be able to... I can't keep it really steady because, like I said, there's about 5-mile-an-hour wind. So I just want to see what the film looks like. Not very fast at second rate, but it is cutting a lot of wind right now. So it is flying pretty decent. Let's go over here. Maybe you guys could see it a little better. I'm not going to test the range since there's people out here. And I don't want to lose my memory card. Hey guys. Actually pretty steady. I like to see when there's no wind how steady I can get this thing to get the altitude hold to stay in there. It says it has a flight time of like 8 minutes or so, but it's probably going to be less than that when I'm filming. See if I can get it steady, take some shots. So now I'm trying to figure out where is the flip button going to be at now. There it is. Okay, so flip button's going to be right here. And instead of this being the rate button up here, guys, this is going to be your automatic takeoff and land, and the rates of speed are going to be on the right toggle switch. So I'm going to go ahead and shut off the film. Should stop filming. See if I can take a picture here. There's a snapshot. Snapshot. Let's get up here a little bit more. Snapshot. Okay. There we go. This thing's pretty nice, guys. I like it. I always like these Syma X5C series. This one's not bad at all. I just love that Syma came with 2 batteries this time, especially proprietary. Proprietary batteries are a must have at least 2 batteries, 2 or 3 batteries at least. There it goes. That's a nice drone, guys. The Wi-Fi has a lot of lag in it. That's a good little drone. Real steady though. I mean, altitude hold works good. I'm putting a little bit of forward throttle due to the wind blowing this way, so it is working really well, guys. Try a couple more flips. There we go. See if we can do a sideways flip here. There we go. There's sideways. The battery's starting to get a little low. That's why it's such a drag to... There we go. Try it backwards. There we go. Not too bad. So far, it feels like it's got a pretty good connection, especially with the wind going. It feels really nice. Yeah, it feels pretty good so far, guys. Just don't have much power with that 5-mile-an-hour wind though, so definitely try to keep it 5 mile an hour or less. So definitely make sure of that, you guys. I don't see any other functions here on the controller. I'm sure you can control this maybe. It looks like it's got virtual sticks, so you probably can control it with your Android or iOS device. I don't recommend it right now with the wind being 5 mile an hour, with a little bit stronger gusts than that. Just in case you lose connection, you don't want to lose your drone. But yeah, it's not bad at all. I like it. Because it's going to be so choppy, it's not even going to be worth it. But yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, so far, guys, it's been over 7 minutes. Coming on 8 minutes right now, you guys. It's still flying. I'm surprised because that's only a 500 milliamp battery. So yeah, not too bad. It's getting a little weaker, I could tell. So not bad. See how long I can get it to fly. I'll cut that out though, but I'll let you guys know what the flight time is on this one. Okay, lights are flashing. We got low battery warning, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down, because I don't know how this one, it might be automatic land when the battery goes dead, but I don't want to take a chance. But man, hey guys, pretty cool. I like it. Always been a big fan of the Syma X5 series, so not bad at all, you guys. Tenergy, thank you guys so much for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. You guys, I recommend this one. Good little flyer. Not so well in the wind, but it is definitely fun. And when I put this video together, I'll see how the SD card film looks too as well. But I have a feeling that the phone film from the Wi-Fi is not going to be so well. So a lot of lag in that. That's the only downfall. But all right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.